All right, so I don't know. I'm having the same issue with the earphone, just the same. I tested out on WebStorm, but it seems to still be giving the same issue. So I probably just wasted $1,500 on this earphone for nothing. But I haven't tested out yet on my Linux box. So I'm gonna do that and see how well it will work. I'm also having a small issue. I was running a Java project application, a server, and I went to sleep and I think I just put the computer on sleep and I didn't stop the server, and now I'm seeing some flickering and stuff here and some other places, and I turn it off and I turn it on back, but it's still giving the issue, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna figure that out afterwards. But in this video, what I want to do is I want to set up somewhat of a layout of this project here. I have the server for the front end, at least I have the server running here, so I can open that up. I cleared out everything in the home, so nothing will be there. I also cleared out what was here, the car that we had. I cleared it out, and also some of the styling. So we only have the style for the nav and the link. That's about that, and we have the router view to pick up the home component. So this is opening, so that will open the the browser. I should say is opening, but this is what we're looking at. The UI kit I found this crazy amazing section component that basically gives us this beautiful layout. We would have to configure it to our liking at least, but it's pretty cool to the extent of where it's at the moment. So I'm pretty much okay with it. So I'm just gonna grab that and show you section. Here we go. And it's pretty, I don't know, I just thought it would be much easier at least, because we wouldn't have to go through a whole lot of stuff. So it would make everything easier. So this is what it looks like, and we're going to configure it to make it look better in the way that we want. But this is what caught my eye. I don't know if you can see the little flickering here. I'm seeing them, I'm not sure. On the image here, I guess it shows mostly on a darker background, but it's not showing here. That's cool. So this is what we want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy off this. You can click on this to copy it, or you can look at the markup and copy and everything, whatever for the everything. Because I know what I want, and that's that. We have two of these open, so I can close on this and open this on port 8080, and we should see nothing on least. Awesome. So we only see the navigation. So we have the about, we have the home page, which we're gonna leave for now. We'll adjust that later on. I have the it here for the disk. All right, so let's go ahead now and put in what we want. So first of all, I want to get this in a UK container, and this is how all of our classes in UK in UIkit start. UK, basically UIkit, and the name that we're using, so which is pretty cool. So now I'm just going to go ahead and paste all of this code here, every code. And what UIkit has is somewhat of a front mobile first. Let me save this and let it load in the background. So UIkit has a mobile first responsiveness. So basically what we're looking at is we're looking at creating mobile device UI first, and then we move up to desktop, which is pretty cool. And UIkit is what I think the methodology or whatever it comes from, or it helps to build iOS applications. So this is what this looks like so far. We do not have the image, we do not see the image. That's because we do not get the full entire link, and I can grab that from right here, which I don't, not sure this is so much of if it's all right, but This is just for example, in a sense. I'm not so sure if that's fully right, but I don't think it's a big deal. I'm just buying it for a second. All right, so that's that. When this reloads, we should see the image pop up further down. So there we go. So now we can see this image here. We can go ahead and add a header and a footer as well, because I guess we do have the time. So, and I want to push this to GitHub so you can see the changes as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come into components. We don't need this hello world component. I'm going to leave it for now. And then I'm going to make a app header and a app footer as well. So save that and put in our template, and in here I can put our app in div, and in the app component I can go ahead and I can grab this here and I can paste it right in here. And what else do we need? I'm gonna grab the style. We don't need a style on this component, so I'm gonna grab that style and I'm gonna put it right here. Awesome. Okay, so I should pick up these, but it's not picking up as yet, but that's cool. No need to worry about that. All right. What else do we need? We need to register this app header right here, because it's gonna be on every page. So I'm just gonna say that means this is not in line. So okay, so I'm gonna just do app header, which I wish it could just autocomplete for me, but it didn't. And then we're gonna open our script tag. I can take that off, don't need that. And do an export default, not that capital. And then we're gonna grab this component, the components, and the component name is app header. And I could put a comma there, or no, don't have to. But we have not yet imported it, so I'm gonna go ahead and import it right under our script tag here. We're gonna say import app header from, and this is we're gonna use at for the shorthand or alias. So we're gonna go to components /app header. Awesome. So we also want to get the app footer. So I'm gonna create that before I copy anything. So we're gonna say app footer. I don't know if UIkit has an app footer. I'm gonna check. I could just copy one of those just for the time being and put our template tag here and have a div. I'm gonna check if UIkit has a footer. Alright, so unfortunately they do not have any, so I'm just gonna improvise. Basically what I can do here, just to, I don't know if they have a UK footer class. No, it doesn't seem that way. But I could put another div in here and a HR and cover a class of UK divider. That's it. UK divider, so that will divide the top. I think I'm gonna put this right here. So that will go there. And then what I can do here is to just put like a P tag that says copyright. So I want to put the copy symbol, which should be, I think this is it. I haven't done this in a while, so I think this is it. Yeah, so copy, and I can just say copyright. 2020. Awesome. So you can just do that, and I could put this in the center. I could say UK text center, and I think that should do the trick, but I haven't pulled this in yet, so I'm going to pull this into the app folder. No, it's not the app. Yeah, I think it's the app. It will be the app folder, yes. We're gonna look at creating a better header eventually, but probably in the next we look at that. So I'm gonna just copy this and paste it below the views. Change the name, and again, if you do not know, you cannot use the say because they have a footer component already. HTML has that as a default element, I should say. So you don't really want to mess that up with your view component. So that's why I have app header and app footer. So that's that. The final thing is to do this, and then I can just go ahead and save. Do I save all? No. I want to save one by one. Okay. So we're gonna save control and save that, and save that, and need to save next one app. So the app is the next one that we need to save. So now we can go ahead and watch this refresh, and then we can check this out in the browser. Alright, so that's finished. So we can go over to the browser now, and you can see the app header is still there, but it looks a bit different from what was there initially. So this started, I guess it's not picking up correctly yet, but we do have this footer at the bottom here, which is pretty cool. I don't see the divider, but that's okay. Don't really need to worry about that right now, but this is basically our layout for now. So alright, so I guess that's it for this project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.